friends, welcome to Easy and Homestyle Cooking. I'm Mrs. Ragini. Today I'm going to share a nice pizza recipe, but that too closed pizza without sauce. Only the vegetables and the cheese. We are going to make it nice and spicy and interesting. So let's start how to make it. So here is the pizza dough which I mixed it already and I kept it ready. Now we are going to roll this first. So just dust some flour and we are going to roll this. You can make it into little bit thin, roti like. So friends, here you can see I have nicely rolled it. I am making little bit thin. As I said, I am making closed pizza. So I am going to put one more on top of it. So just be careful. If you have a pizza tray, you can just use a pizza tray and just spread this. Now we are going to put our toppings. So first, here I have some nice fresh spinach. I have boiled this spinach little bit, so you can add lot of this spinach. I am not going to add any of the sauce. Without sauce we are going to make this pizza. Just leave the edges little bit so that we can close with another pizza base. Always I make fresh pizza at my house. We don't go out. And now we are going to add some capsicum. Whichever vegetable you like, you can just add the ingredients, and also some onions, add some tomatoes also, and some fresh garlic. Here I have nicely sliced it, so add the garlic. And the spiciness for this pizza is this garlic and the fresh green chilies. See, lot of it I am adding, and also some red chili, dry red chilies. Just you can just chop this red chilies and all this flakes also, and some olives, some black olives. If you like you can add it, otherwise you can skip, but I love to add olives. Just spread it nicely. And dear friends, in the last, for non-veg pizza you can add anything, chicken, mutton, shrimp, whichever you want you can add, but today I am just using sausages. This goes excellent with chicken ham, so if you have chicken hams you can use, and some mixed herbs in the last, and some salt little bit, and also rosemary, and you can add little bit of olive oil, very little. Now cheese, this is pizza cheese. You can just add the pizza cheese. This is ready. Now we need to cover this with another pizza. So what you can do is, either you can just apply little bit of water at the surrounding, and you can just put your pizza. So just add little bit water, and here I have rolled one more dough into nice and thin, the same size. So this we are going to cover this now. Tuck the edges. If you want you can give little bit shapes also at the edges. So what you can do is, you can just give little bit shapes, or you can just fold it, and this is ready. Before going into oven, just take a fork and give little bit of dogs so that this won't puff up, and we are going to give a little bit of wash, that is with olive oil, just very little, and this we are going to bake it in 200 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes, or till you get a nice golden color. You can just bake this. This is all ready to go into the oven, and we are going to wait for 20 minutes. So friends, here is our closed pizza ready. You can see nice color. I wanted like this only. Now we are going to just transfer this. You can just put it on a chopping board, or be careful, it's nice and hot. Dear friends, before cutting, what you can do is, this is little bit dry and it's cooked perfectly. Olive oil wash or regular oil, any oil, you can just give little bit of that wash so that you get a nice shiny texture on top. Now you can just cut it. See, wow, without sauce you got an excellent closed pizza. Sometimes we need to make it little bit different. See, here in front you have nice and crispy texture, down we have a nice and soft. If you have this hot, you know what will happen. So you can just add little bit of sauce, Tabasco sauce, any sauce, and you can have this but I added lot of red chili and even green chili. This will be nice and spicy. So I am ready to. Wow, wow, simply superb. This is very simple to make it without sauce if you don't have a pizza sauce, but still you can make a nice excellent closed pizza. Nice cheese, spinach. I added a lot of chili. Now I am getting nice chilies here. Oh, this is really yummy. So dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this very simple closed pizza. If you love it, you need to make it and also share it with your friends and make this excellent dish and enjoy with your